Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 91. Which sentence uses the future perfect continuous tense for an action ongoing for a duration up to a future point? A. By their anniversary, they will travel for a year. B. By their anniversary, they will have traveled for a year. C. By their anniversary, they will be traveling for a year. D. By their anniversary, they will have been traveling for a year. Correct answer, by their anniversary, they will have been traveling for a year. Future perfect continuous tense. Question number 92. What tense describes a daily routine? A. I take the bus to work. B. I am taking the bus to work. C. I took the bus to work. D. I will take the bus to work. Correct answer, I take the bus to work. Simple present tense. Question number 93. What tense describes a temporary situation that is different from the usual? A. He usually walks, but he is driving this week. B. He usually walks, but he drives this week. C. He usually walks, but he drove this week. D. He usually walks, but he will drive this week. Correct answer, he usually walks, but he is driving this week. Present continuous tense. Question number 94. What tense describes an event that happened once and is finished? A. The concert begins at 8 p.m. B. The concert began at 8 p.m. C. The concert is beginning at 8 p.m. D. The concert will begin at 8 p.m. Correct answer, the concert began at 8 p.m., simple past tense. Question number 95. What tense describes a decision made at the moment of speaking? A. I am hungry. I order a pizza. B. I am hungry. I will order a pizza. C. I am hungry. I am ordering a pizza. D. I am hungry. I ordered a pizza. Correct answer, I am hungry. I will order a pizza. Simple future tense. Question number 96. What tense describes a past action whose time is not important, but the action itself is? A. Someone broke the window last night. B. Someone has broken the window. It's still broken. C. Someone was breaking the window. D. Someone breaks the window. Correct answer, someone has broken the window. Present perfect tense. Question number 97. What tense describes a continuous action in the past interrupted by a sudden event? A. She slept when the doorbell rang. B. She was sleeping when the doorbell rang. C. She has slept when the doorbell rang. D. She sleeps when the doorbell rings. Correct answer, she was sleeping when the doorbell rang. Past continuous tense. Question number 98. What tense describes an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future, as an ongoing activity? A. At 6 p.m. tomorrow, I prepare dinner. B. At 6 p.m. tomorrow, I will be preparing dinner. C. At 6 p.m. tomorrow, I will prepare dinner. D. At 6 p.m. tomorrow, I am preparing dinner. Correct answer, at 6 p.m. tomorrow, I will be preparing dinner. Future continuous tense. Question number 99. What tense describes an action that happened before another action in the past, emphasizing the sequence? A. After he ate, he went to bed. B. After he had eaten, he went to bed. C. After he is eating, he goes to bed. D. After he eats, he will go to bed. Correct answer, after he had eaten, he went to bed. Past perfect tense. Question number 100. What tense describes an action that will be finished before a specific future time? A. By the time you read this, I leave. B. By the time you read this, I will leave. C. By the time you read this, I will have left. D. By the time you read this, I am leaving. Correct answer, by the time you read this, I will have left. Future perfect tense. Like, comment, share and subscribe.